How to use artifacts in Archero 2. In Archero 2, artifacts are special items that give passive bonuses like extra damage, crit rate, max HP, elemental buffs, and coins, etc. So, how do you equip artifacts? So, open the main menu, tap artifacts inside the collectible section. Now, select an artifact you unlocked and tap equip. You can earn and equip multiple artifacts at once depending on your player level and progression. Also, how you can get them from chapters, events, artifacts checks, and daily quests, also shops that are very rare. Now, how to upgrade them or how to make them much more stronger is going to the artifacts menu, select the artifact, tap upgrade, use artifact strats, coins, higher tier artifacts like need more strats. Now, don't upgrade bad artifacts. Some artifacts give whip bonuses like plus code pickup and plus defense, that is very low amount. So, always use your best percent damage artifacts like crit damage, attack speed, elemental power. So, once you've unlocked the artifact, there's not a direct way you go ahead equip them and use them, but once you unlock, they are already in use and they are already like giving you resources and abilities. So using artifacts and talents together becomes stronger while combined. Hero It increases hero abilities, talents, and gear stats. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you.